Unit 11 Vocabulary Practice Answer Key. We used the word bank here and the vocab chart from yesterday to fill in the blanks with the missing vocab word. The area of a blank can be found by breaking a figure into simpler geometric shapes. The area of a composite figure. 4 times 4 times 4 was rewritten as 4 to the third or 4 cubed. The 4 is the base and the 3 is the exponent. So 4 was raised to the third power. When determining the amount of fencing needed around a park, Paul added up the distance around each side to find the perimeter. Remember, perimeter is the distance around a shape. Given that the radius of a circle is 5 inches, the diameter is 10. So radius of a circle is from the center to one edge. Diameter is all the way across the circle going through the center. Number 5. Sydney is installing a new carpet in her living room. She multiplied the length of the room by the width of the room to calculate the area to determine how much carpet she would need. The ratio of a circle with a circumference of 25 and 12/100 inches and a diameter of 8 inches can be written as pi, or 3.14. Remember, pi is the ratio of circumference to diameter, and it is a mathematical constant that stays the same no matter how large or small our circle is. John ran around a circular track and calculated the distance that he ran. So the distance around a circle, which is the circumference of the track. And our last one, blank is half the diameter of a circle. If diameter is all the way across the circle going through the center, radius is half of that, from the center to the edge of a circle.